Hello and welcome to Chrome Computing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your user icon, your user image. What I mean by that is when you log in to your Chromebook, you'll have a user image there, and they don't always necessarily look that great. If we click on there, sign in, another user, you'll see they come as standard. So that's a standard Chromebook image, and that one is as well. So I'm going to show you how to change the image for the user that's logged in. So if you go to settings there, and then go to personalization, and then change device account image, click on that. And as you'll see, there's a selection of images you can choose. These are quite fine, there's no problem with these. They all work pretty well. Some have got animation as well, which are nice. Some don't. However, you don't have to use one of them. You can use an image already on your computer. Just choose anything. Just download, just choose that for now. Let's open, and that will then be my new image. There's no save with Chromebooks like you get on other computers. Once you've done that, you can just press the back arrow and that's all done, just to show that that's been done. As you can see, got a new image there, which you'd see much bigger when you're logging into your Chromebook the first time in the day. But you can also have a little video as well, but it's a very little video, and I'll quickly show you how to do that. Let's go back to settings and personalization, change device account image, and here you'll see take a photo. So you can click on that and you can take a photo like that, and then that will use the photo. So next time you log in, you'll see yourself. Or if you've got a webcam that can support video, you go back to the settings, choose the photo again, and this time, so you see a little camera there, click on the camera. Now when you click on the camera, you'll see very quick flashes, and that's how long you've got to record. So I'm just going to do something really silly. So you will see why I'm doing this. So I'm just going to put my head there, press record. So you press the camera, then there's the record button. So that toggles between either a photo or the camera. Once you press to the camera, press record. There we go, and that's my video. Bit freaky, don't know if I'd want it myself, but you can have it like that if you want. And then if you go to here, it's not animating there, but when you log in the morning, you would see that you've got an animation when you're logging in. So that's quite fun if you want to do that as well. So I hope you found that video useful. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video as well, because it's the only way I can get other people to see the videos I've got on YouTube.